Hi guys, it's Franz again from Fractal Trading, and today I want to have a look at you when it comes to trading US oil. First of all, let's have a look at a real historic chart here from 1861 actually all the way out to 2016, and what you can really see on this chart actually is that over here prices were just as high, more or less, than they were just in the modern age, so to speak, just right after 2010. And in the meantime, you just got the same kind of crazy moves, oil going from pretty much $10 all the way up to 120, only to go down for decades again between $10 and $20, and then shooting up, coming down, shooting up, and just now coming down again. So the recent drop, where everybody has been shocked like crazy, is not even that exceptional. It has happened before, and everything seems to just be repeating again. Now over here in this chart, you can actually see the reasons people put on these price moves. Of course, that's not going to help you at all if you want to trade it, if you want to make money off of it. You just gotta kind of follow along. Coming into the marketplace afterwards in hindsight and trying to find reasons why a price moved is always easy afterwards, but if you want to trade it, it will be much more difficult to actually follow fundamental information. So what I like to do is simply follow the price, follow the market wherever it likes to go. And when we have a look now at the oil monthly chart, we can see what it has been doing in the last 16 years, and it's just part of this crazy move that we've seen. And focusing on the last couple of years here, the last 3 years, we can see that the down move had quite a correction preceding it, where prices, again, just like I said in the last video, they weren't really able to leave the balance zone. The balance zone is always marked by these three moving averages. As they are intertwining, you know you don't have a trending market, you have a sideways moving market. So all during that time here, 2009 to the end of 2013, you got nowhere if you try to trade a trend in this market. However, the behavior has changed, and we are now looking at oil having dropped from over $100 down to just below $30 right now, trading at around 38, 39 US dollars. Now on the weekly chart, you can really see how this has been a profitable move. Right at this line, I'm really sorry. Right at this line, you do have important support marked by all of those fractals, not just those two and this one over here, but historic fractals right there will tell us that this is a very important price level. If that is broken, you do have a chance for oil moving down further, and this is exactly what happened here. As a trend follower, entering somewhere in here, depending on your trading system, would have gotten you short in this downtrend, and hopefully you were able to exit right down here somewhere, and maybe you are even holding on to it. If not, you get a new fractal here, simply showing you that the move will be continued. Another one right here for continuation, represented by this little move. Now as this happens, you can already see that you do get some divergences. The price is continuing down, while the oscillator, the momentum oscillator, showing you how much steam this thing really has to move on down further, is not reaching new highs down here, pretty much telling us there's no more pressure and price needs to correct. It needs to go up into the balance zone where it can breathe, and this is pretty much what it has been doing the last 6 weeks here, after kind of bottoming out at a low of 2603. You have prices moving up and now reaching this blue line here, which I like to think of the upper border of the balance zone, very likely prices will kind of slow down this impulse corrective move, or even move in a new direction, and breathe again, coming downwards. Now the question remains, is this going to drop more, or will we see a longer correction before prices turn? That is pure speculation. I would simply be waiting for new resistance and support areas to establish, and then try to make a decision which way to enter this market. Right now it is in a correction overall, as we can see, and there is not a whole lot of trading opportunities for the trend follower. We simply would have to wait on the sidelines to see what is going to happen in oil on the weekly.